man, what are you doing? Give me my phone! Hey man, back off! Yeah, that's... Why did I do this to me? I'm a good boy. Innocent man.
Hey man! What you doing, man?
Hey, why are you crying, man?
Hey man!
Out of the night that covers me, black as the pit from pole to pole, I thank whatever gods may be for my unconquerable soul. In the fell clutch of circumstance, I have not winced nor cried aloud. Under the bludgeonings of fate, my head is bloody, but unbowed. Beyond this place of wrath and tears looms but the horror of the shade. And yet, the menace of the years binds and shall bind me, unafraid. It matters not how strait the gate, how charged with punishment the scroll. I am the master of my fate. I am the captain of my soul.
Beyond this place of wrath and tears, looms by the horror of the shade, and yet the menace of years finds such a mighty prey. Under not how straight the gate, though charged with punishment the scroll. I am the master of my fate, I am the captain of my soul.
Hey, why are you crying, man?